Hey cool cats, Richie here. Hope you all are doing great. Today we're going to make caramel custard. What's caramel custard, you're asking? Well, caramel and custard. I'm going to be using one of these. These are, you can just use any bakeable dish, but I just wanted to get that ramekin shape, you know. So we can just add 1/3 of brown sugar. Most people use white sugar. I know it's weird to see brown sugar, but I like it this way. So you can experiment with white sugar, it doesn't matter. So I'm just going to add about 2 tablespoons of water. You can stir and make sure you stir the sugar until it dissolves into the water so that you don't like have sugar crystals. Then yeah, just let it bubble up afterwards. So let's just put some in there, just at the bottom. Just give that like a good stir, so that it's all around. All around, because that's what we're going to set our custard. I know this looks like Coca-Cola right now, but it's not. It's not. I think this is Coca-Cola. This is the exact ingredient Coca-Cola uses, just sugar and water, and we think, oh, what's the secret recipe? You know, it's just sugar and water. So now a quick tip. You actually shouldn't use brown sugar at the beginning. It's best to use white sugar so that you can watch that liquid caramelize. You want it to turn brown. You have to see that, and I'm using brown sugar, and so it's already brown. And if you want it to turn brown, it might not actually get to that caramel point you want. The reason why I'm using brown sugar is because I don't know, it's an experiment, and I guess I can also tell when it caramelizes. If you get what I mean? If you get what I'm saying? Do you get what I'm saying? Now let's add about 200 ml of milk. Not more than half a tablespoon of brown sugar or sugar. You need 1 egg. And 2 egg yolks. Don't throw away these egg whites. We use them. You can use them for your breakfast. You can use them to make your meringues. Just don't waste. And add a tablespoon of brown sugar, just about a tablespoon. Not too much. If you really like sweet things, then hey, knock knock, who's there? Diabetes. Mix that. You can use a mixer if you want, but the problem is mixers give you bubbles, and you don't want bubbles. Nobody likes bubbles. That's why I never watch the Powerpuff Girls. Add your warmed milk and pour your custard into your Coca-Cola ramekins, just about to the top. Just pour some water just down into your pan. Cover these with tin foil. That's it for today's video, guys. Leave a like, subscribe, share with your friends, family, and whoever, even some extraterrestrials. And yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video.